Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So basically I've got this small pond finished at long last. It's taken a lot of work. There may be a few minor finishing touches that need to be done, but I thought I'd show you what I've done. Thanks for watching, guys. Just before you do go, just remember to like the video, please. I would appreciate if you liked it. There's a lot of people watching my content that don't like it. If you do, please just press that thumbs up for me, please. It helps people find videos like this. I just want to say a big thank you for everyone coming to my channel. Remember to subscribe, and in the meantime let me just show you what I've done. So here we've done the tunnel. We've landscaped it nicely into the stonework of the actual pond. Obviously we've built a new tunnel, a fish cave in there. If you can see in there, there's a new fish cave in there for the fish to hide in, which is a lot bigger than it was. We've also put a Liberty solar panelled small pump that will run into the actual tunnel, the bridge. I've re-landscaped the patio area with more stone and new Bradstone flags, and I've just made it look a damn sight nicer than it was. So I'm just giving you a bit of a tour around just to see what's going on. The water is a bit murky at the moment because I have been putting some piping in, and I'll just show you the plants as well. Obviously we've replanted that area, got rid of that massive waterfall, and the whole idea was to shrink it down because I was getting a lot of leaks from the waterfall, and in the end I decided, right, I'll just cut it down to be really small. So obviously you can see the stone statue eagles, which are keeping watch. Obviously we've got a chair and a table there, but it's more accessible. If you've seen the other videos, this area overgrew and it wasn't really usable because of all the plants that were covering the patio. So I've decided that we're going to make it more minimalist. You know, you don't have to have the biggest waterfall in the world. It can be a small little stream and just be as nice as a big waterfall may be, you know. So I just wanted to show you around the small pond, and it also is a good backup pond in the event my big pond suddenly, for whatever reason, sprung a massive leak and I lost a ton of water. I could always throw my koi fish in there as an emergency measure. Would I be happy with it being quite small? No, but it would be an emergency situation, and that's why a lot of people have these grow on tanks, because you never know what's going to happen. So we've got the Blagdon Liberty solar panelled pump in there. I've spent about £100 on the setup. So let me talk you through how it's running. So basically it's positioned in the fish cave. I've hidden the actual piping for the actual waterfall underneath and around the back into the small tunnel or the bridge, and then obviously it will flow into the water, into the pond. Obviously I've hidden the cabling which runs all the way around the back here and comes around the actual tree. I'll show you. We've got the cable there running up through the tree, attaches here, runs along here, past the solar panel lights, and then obviously if we go up here, you'll see the solar panel which is hooked up here. Now I haven't hooked up the lights, just the pump, because that's all I was bothered about. So I just wanted to show you the setup. All I've done here is attach some wood, bolted it in to the wood and put the mount on. As you can see, there's a mount there. You can take that off if you want to see it. Put it back on, and if you want to adjust anything, you've got easy access, and I can even take this off, no problem, like so. That can come off, go back on, and it's fairly secure. And that's the Liberty 2.5 watt solar panel that's on there. So here's how the solar panels look from this end, and as you can see, we've got 4 for the lights that come on at night time. You've probably seen that in my previous videos. If you haven't, go and check those out. And obviously the Liberty solar panel there. Now you can upgrade that to a 5 watt panel that Blagden do. The reason I went for Blagden over these cheap Chinese ones is they're just better quality. The old saying goes, you pay for what you get, and that ain't half true on pom pumps. The more expensive you pay, the better quality you get. Thought I'd just show you the goldfish that I've done all this work for. I just think their all-round quality of life is so much better now that I've done this work, and they've got all this space now, and it's all the algae's gone. I've cleaned it up, and they just enjoy swimming in the actual fish cave there, as you can see, in and out, no problems. So there you go, guys. So I thought I'd just give you one last look before I wrap this video up. But I just wanted to say a big thank you for everyone that's left some nice comments, especially Martyn's. Check out his YouTube channel, Martyn's Koi Pond channel. I'll put a link in the description box if you want to go and see his work, which is amazing. He's always making stuff. You know what? He ain't half talented. So Martyn, keep that work up, because you're an inspiration to a lot of us. So yeah, that's basically the pond. I think it's more or less finished. Now the question is, can we get the waterfall to run? Thought I'd just give you a close-up look. It's not dramatic, the water, but nevertheless it is working. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it's not a major waterfall or a torrent of water, it's just a little stream, in it, really. It's not that powerful, if I'm honest with you, but it's worth a try, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye bye.